Okay, I made ramps for the car. There's one on each side, and I got this little rug for 12 bucks at Lowe's to keep it from sliding. If you make these for your car, this is a good size because it fits the rug. And so my ramps are 26 and 3/4 long, and then the tire, make sure the tires fit on there. But besides that, I have this tennis ball hanging from the ceiling so that I can know if I'm in the garage far enough. And it's nice to have it on the ramps because then you can jack it up or at least look underneath there. Here I have plenty of space in case I don't want the garage door to hit it. If this is helpful, push like, and if you have any questions, oh yeah, here is the important part right here. So as you can see the ramp, I have planed that. I have an electric planer to plane the angle down, so otherwise it pushes on the ramps too much.